Our natural world is in crisis. Join the conversation today.
Conscious Capitalism LA chapter. Conscious Capitalism is a national organization in the LA chapter. I joined immediately once I realized it was there, and then I went to one of their meetings, and year and a half later, I can tell you every time I'm with that group of people, I mean, it's changing group of people because it's an organization, but every time I'm in that setting, everybody has a passion about what they're doing. So the energy is really very positive, and somebody could be making, cookies, and they're doing it in a way that a portion of their proceeds goes to help people in somewhere, inner city or in another country or something, or in education. You take a business, and so these like a benefit corporation, like B Corporation, that has a social purpose to it as well. When you're working with people like that, there is an energy and an enthusiasm in the room that isn't necessarily in others. And there is an openness to new ways to approach a problem or a condition situation. Because, this is a group of people who are already saying, wow, if I can do this, which is so cool, I'll do well enough that I can do that with it also and help those people.
And hire people and grow the business so that I can provide more jobs, more good jobs. And Building the future. Green building in the new millennium. Brought to you by Sustainable Homes of the Future. Join in.